Hey everyone, welcome to Canvas Kids. Today we're going to learn how to draw a cute Santa. Welcome everyone to the first episode of Canvas Kids, where we teach you how to draw things. Don't forget to like and subscribe for future episodes. Alright, let's get started. I'm going to start with Santa's face, which is an oval shape. He looks very similar to the Pringles guy. And I am using pencil first, and then I am tracing it afterwards with a marker, but you can do it however you want. Also, don't be afraid to turn your paper in any direction to get a better shape. And what I like to do afterwards is I like to divide my circle down the middle, both ways, so that I know that I am symmetrical. And I also like to have guidelines for the eyes, which will sit in between. And draw the nose here real quick, just so I can get a better idea where the eyes will go. Eyebrows. Next, the nose. I think we found a good spot for it here. And then we move on to the mustache. So the mustache is an S curve with a loop around. Same on the other side, S curve with a loop around. So the good thing about pencil is that you can always erase it if you don't like the shape. Next, we're moving on to the side of the face. And I want to start it around the end of the mustache and almost do like a number 3. And same thing for the other side, but opposite 3. I think I made the eyes a little too big, so I will readjust here quick, but you can make your eyes however you want. Alright, next is the bottom of his hat, and I'm just going to connect the oval shape and make 2 lines up and just make a bridge to the other side. As for the bottom of the hat, it's got some texture there, giving it that fluffy look. So what I like to do is I like to erase the guideline and come in and just kind of give it an M shape, or just any wavy shape would give it that texture. Next, it's the top of the hat. It's kind of a triangle shape with a curve. A circle at the end. Next is the beard. What I like to do is I like to make the beard from the oval and kind of make the general shape of the beard before giving it that texture. And then I erase my guidelines and I give the outer part of that beard sort of a wavy texture. Kind of in the shape of an M. Just to simulate his beard hanging over his chin. Alright, when we're done with that part, I'm gonna go ahead and give him sort of a hair flap on each side just to give the overall presentation more texture. Can't forget the eyebrows. Okay, that looks good. Let's go ahead and move on to the body. For the body, if you can tell, it's kind of a bell shape. So I'm going to take two curved lines down each side of his face. And then I'm going to make the bottom part of the bill by drawing almost like an open oval. Alright, then I'm going to close the bottom part of that and begin to add the belt. So the buckle can go here in the middle, and the buckle's just two rectangles on top of each other. And we're just going to connect those to the outer part of the body. Alright, after that, I think we're going to go ahead and do the legs. Our Santa's got short, stubby legs, so for the legs, we're going to do kind of a short rectangle. Alright, then we're going to move on to the arms. For the arms, I'm drawing sort of a rectangle. And at the very end of those rectangles, I'm leaving a curved spot so I can draw his mitts. And his mitts are basically just smaller ovals. Alright, now that I'm done with the outline in pencil, I'm going to go ahead and trace over it with marker. And then I'll just speed through this part. You guys can pause it if you want. I think that looks good. I think the final step is to color it. I will be making other coloring tutorials, so be on the lookout for those, but for this one I'm going to go ahead and speed through the process as well. And we are done. I think our Santa looks pretty cute. Thank you for joining us for our very first episode of Canvas Kids. Hit the like and subscribe button so we can make future episodes. See you on the next one.